Welcome back to our Python data types tutorial. In this section, we'll be discussing numeric types in Python. Numeric types in Python allow us to work with numerical data, including integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers. Let's take a look at each of these types in more detail. First, we have integers. Integers are whole numbers, such as 5, 10, and -3. You can perform basic arithmetic operations on integers, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You can also use the modulo operator to get the remainder of a division operation. Next, we have floating point numbers. These are numbers with a decimal point, such as 3.14, 2.5, and -0.1. You can perform the same arithmetic operations on floating point numbers as you can on integers. However, you should be aware of potential precision errors due to the way floating point numbers are represented in computer memory. Finally, we have complex numbers. These are numbers with both a real and imaginary component, such as 2 plus 3j and 1 to 2j. You can perform operations on complex numbers, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Components of a complex number using the real and imag attributes. So, those are the three main types of numeric data in Python: integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers. Remember to keep precision errors in mind when working with floating point numbers. In the next section, we'll discover another important data type in Python: strings.